It's 1-800-LAW-1010, 1-800-LAW-1010.com. I'm going to sit him right next to Cantera to keep an eye on him at the wedding. Paul Harding from Martin Harding Mazzotti. How you doing, Paul?
Hey, good morning, guys. Good morning.
I'm keeping an eye on him, or he's keeping an eye on me.
Well, that's a good question.
Yeah.
I have to figure that out.
Paul's probably the responsible one.
Hey, did you stay up for that Yankee game?
No.
It didn't end until the 2:45 this morning. That's why.
I know you're a fan.
I heard about it. I can't imagine anybody. Do you know anyone who actually stayed up?
Joe Girardi. He's the only one. He's it.
He got paid to do it.
It's ridiculous. So we're heading into the 4th of July weekend. We wanted to keep it light and keep it simple. What can and can I not explode, and where can and can I not explode them, Paul?
Yeah, well, the word explode is probably an overstatement because in 2014 there was a big legislative change here in New York, and it was done county by county. Well, Albany County, virtually all the upstate counties allow this, but what they allow is, in essence, sparkling devices. They call them confetti-filled party poppers, paper-wrapped snappers. The things that you see now popping up in every mall parking lot. I mean, I can't believe the number.
Right, I saw it at a garden center, outside of a garden center.
Yeah, right, me too. Up in Boston Spa, there's one over by the Agway there, right, just sitting under a tent.
I saw 3 in Rotterdam the other day, just within a few miles of each other. And so, I never went in them, but basically that's what they're selling. They're not selling bottle rockets, firecrackers, Roman candles, things like that. So it's anything that kind of, the way to look at it, anything that shoots in the air, anything that's sort of an aerial firework is still illegal, and you need a permit, to do it. You got to be a professional. And then anything that kind of shoots sparks is okay. And that's really where the law is since 2014 and where it is today.
So what is they say I got a couple fireworks lying around and I light them off in my backyard and it scares one or two old ladies. What kind of repercussions am I going to get? Yeah.
Practically speaking, nothing, right?
But you worry, like nowadays you think, God, they're terrorist, explosives and yada, yada, yada. It's like you worry about weird stuff happening for.
Yeah, keep in mind. So, what's unique about this law is that only June and July are you able to buy these things, and then Christmas and New Year's. So it's not all year, but sure, I think people are expecting lots of bangs around, in the July 4th weekend. But the police, if you have, because you're going to see it, you're going to see stuff that's aerial, you're going to see it all over the place. What are the police doing? It's one of those things they're just kind of standing by and making sure things aren't out of control. If there's combined with, a heavy drinking party and loud, and they stop by and they smell marijuana and they got fireworks, things could get bad, I guess, right? But generally the police are just sort of, knock on your door and say, hey, listen, there was a report, try to keep it down. And that tends to be the outcome. I don't know of any increased prosecution over that weekend.
What if I go sit down in downtown Saratoga and light off a bottle rocket? Then I'm asking for it, right?
Double fine.
I think at that point, there's going to be a psychological profile done. Yeah, because I think at that point they're going to take you in. They're going to take your stuff. But again, we're talking about an appearance ticket. Not talking about a serious crime. But obviously, if you did that and hurt somebody, these things can kind of gradate up to get you in trouble.
And so it's still illegal to bring them across like if I buy them in New Hampshire and bring them to New York, that is illegal, correct?
Yeah. Pennsylvania's got these wild laws now that kind of let you buy virtually anything. Stuff, I don't know if you remember, back in the day, it was always south of the border, right? You'd take a family trip south, and all these signs, 10 miles, 4 miles, and you'd get there, it was a firework place, and they had everything. And so, but Pennsylvania sort of made the move where they're kind of opened up their border. So, yeah, you can buy it there, but if you bring it here and light it off, it's illegal.
Sounds like we need a fireworks wall.
What's the difference between the intelligence of, or the, the responsible mentality of a Wisconsinite versus a New Yorker? I was in Wisconsin last year, and I went. You could literally buy giant rockets that would go, hundreds of meters into the air.
They love freedom more in Wisconsin.
Is that what it is?
They love freedom more.
But I love freedom too.
Well, sorry, you're gonna move to Wisconsin.
Well,
there's a lot of laws here in New York.
Yeah.
Paul.
Yeah, you ask the same question about marijuana. You can ask the same question about different rules and stuff. Sure, the states have different rules, and of course, just to keep in mind that even New York City right now, this law does not apply. So if you're in New York City, you have a sparkler, you're still in violation of the New York State fireworks statute.
Something makes me feel like that's okay.
Be safe,
so
have fun.
You're doing good up here.
Let's have no JPPs come
Yeah,
Tuesday.
remember, you can't get those fingers back, people.
They do not grow back.
It's never worth it.
So-
I know they're pretty and loud and fun.
Have a great 4th of July, all right?
Okay, guys. Thank you.
All right, buddy. It's 1-800-LAW-1010, 1-800-LAW-1010.com. Paul Harding, Martin Harding, and Mazzotti. PYX 106.
So you're going to tell me that you don't have no black cats, no Roman candles, or screaming mimes?
No.
Oh, come on, man. You don't got no lady fingers, buzz buttles, snicker bombs, church burners, finger blasters, gut busters, zippity doo-dahs, or crap flappers?
No, I don't.
You're going to stand there owning a fireworks stand and tell me you don't have no whistling bungholes, no spleen splitters, whisker biscuits, honky lighters, hoosker do's, hoosker don'ts, cherry bombs, nipsy daisers, with or without the scooter stick, or one single whistling kitty chaser?
Quinn and Cantera, mornings on PYX 106. PYX